Hello guys and welcome to Plus Equal. Finally, the last tutorial about Rollerball will be creating a build. And let's not wait any longer, let's go. In order for you to create a build, you just need to go to File, Build Settings, open this little window right here. You can see that we have a template stuff scenes sample scene. And this is where we came from. This is the scene that we don't want to have in our build. We want to add open scenes. Scenes main scene, that's right. This is very important because you can have more than one scene in your game. For example, you can have a main menu, then you have your first level, second level, and so on. And you need to add them here in order. But this sample scene was the template from our project and we don't want it to be included. Here in the platform, make sure we have the PC, Mac and Linux standalone, because we want to try the game in our computer. But as you can see, we have a lot of options, for example for Android, WebGL, that means to play in the browser, and so on. Here on the right you should have the architecture. I will leave this one. Here we have some more options, but you don't need to worry about this. You can build, or because we don't have a quit button for our application, you might want to put something here in the player settings, resolution and presentation, and instead of full screen you could put window. Well, I will not do it because I don't care about pressing Alt F4 to leave the build. So I will leave mine as it is and I will put build. Now you need to pick up a location for your build. I recommend you to create a new folder for build, and then inside select this folder and it will start creating the build. It will add all the information that your game needs, and after that you can run the executable and play your game. Let's wait some time. Okay, our build is completed and here we have already the executable. You just need to double click this and our game is running. There we go. Now you can play your game. You can see that everything is working. The number of collectibles are okay. The rotation of our sign, of our logo, is okay. Our ball is moving and the text is okay. The collisions are well as well. Everything that we have done inside Unity seems to be working fine. And as I said in the previous video, congratulations for you. You completed the tutorial. I hope you like the journey so far, and we'll have a lot of more tutorials coming soon. So please consider to stick by, like and subscribe our channel. If you want, you can also use our Discord. The link is in the main page of the channel. And as for me, I just want to thank you a lot for coming this way with me. And I hope to see you in the next video. Stay cool, and I'll see you there. See ya.